Hello friends, welcome back to Kamal Infotech. In this video we are going to learn how to password protect our Word document, how to make it read only and how to remove all these permissions from the Word document. So without any delay, let's get started. So to apply password on my Word document, I'm clicking on File, Info, Protect Document. Click on this drop down arrow and you will get the options here. Always open read only. While you click on this, the document will always open in read only mode. Now I'm clicking on encrypt with password. I am giving password, clicking OK, re-entering password, clicking OK. Now it is password protected. I am closing this file, save. Now I am reopening this file. As you can see, it is asking for password. I am filling the password. So this was the first step. Now I am discussing second step. Clicking on file again, info, protect document, drop down arrow, restrict editing. By using this method, you can restrict user to edit your Word document. So what to do? Formatting restriction. Limit formatting to a selection of styles. You can see a check is there, and editing restriction. Allow only the type of editing in this document. I have selected here no changes, read only, because I want to make this document read only. So you can select other options also, but I am selecting read only, and from here you can check if you want to give the permission to everyone, but I am not selecting this, and just start enforcing this protection. I am clicking on this. Now it will ask for password. I am entering the password, re-entering the password, clicking on OK. As you can see, I am typing in the document, but I am unable to edit this document. So if you want to enable editing in this document, click here on stop protection. It will ask for password again. Enter the password, type here. Now you can see the document is editable. Once I am again enforcing the document, clicking OK, closing the file, save. Now I am again opening the file, entering the password and trying to edit this document, but I am not able to edit this document. So these were the methods how to password protect your document and how to make it non-editable. Now I am going to remove these permissions. Again clicking on file, info, encrypt with password, clearing this password. Clear this password and press OK. Now second, restrict editing, stop this, entering the password, OK, save this file. Now I am discussing the third step. Clicking on file, save this document, closing, reopening the document. Now I am discussing the third step. Clicking on file, save as, desktop, tools, general options, and you can see password to open. Fill here password for opening the file, password to modify. Fill here password for modifying the file. You can click here to make the document read only. OK, re-entering the password, OK, saving the file, closing the file, reopening the file, OK. Now asking for the second password to modify the file. If you fill the right modify password and click OK, then it will allow you to edit the file. So I have written the password and clicking on save. As you can see, the file is saved. So closing the file again and opening it. Now read only. So I'm going to edit this file again and clicking on save. Now save as dialog box will open. Click on save, and you can see we can't save this file because it's read only. Click OK. So by using this method, you can protect your document and you can make your document read only and not editable. I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and share this video as much as you can. Thank you very much for watching this video.